We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. This one is in Gunship Gray. We have dual disc brakes in the front with ABS. You can see that the wheel is also that same color as the rest of the bike. And it has the black detailing on the outside of it. This bike does have cruise armor on it as well. Practically invisible, but completely protects the paint on the bike. We have engine guards on the front and bar and shield decals and little accents everywhere. So we have them on the rider floorboards, passenger pegs, and they're even on the grips. We have that Boom Audio Stage 2 on here. Sounds amazing. Extremely comfortable seat for rider and passenger, and it has that Harley orange stitching on it. Engine is completely blacked out. We've got that 117 cubic inch. The exhaust is beautiful, and the tips on the exhaust are really nice too. We have a heel toe shifter. Lots of nice controls, nice electronics, right at your fingertips. We run on a fob. And we are only at 3,912 miles. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.